Hello, good afternoon, everyone. So, we are Group 4. I'm Jenny B. Nalba, and my two group mates and I will be discussing about this topic, which is all about mother tongue and language curriculum. So, let me first discuss about the meaning of mother tongue. So, mother tongue means one's native language, the language by children and passed from generation to the next. So, when we say native language, it is a language we learn in our childhood, which often referred to as our mother tongue, our first language, identity, language, heritage language, or home language. The language curriculum, we have mother tongue, Filipino, and English. Basis for the language curriculum. Multilingualism is the basis for the language curriculum of the K-12 basic education program, building upon the natural ability of Filipinos for language learning. So, through implementing mother tongue-based multilingual education or MTP-MLE, it strengthens the development of the appropriate cognitive and reasoning skills, enabling children to operate equally different languages, starting with the mother tongue. These higher order thinking skills will transfer to the other languages once enough Filipino or English has been acquired to use these skills in thinking and articulating a thought and be used of acquiring English and Filipino more effectively. So there are 12 major Philippine languages which will use as medium of instruction in public school from kindergarten to grade 3. The move is the part of efforts of Department of Education or DepEd to boost its mother tongue based multilingual education or MTBMLE which aim at raising student competency. Each grade level has to develop the learner to demonstrate knowledge and skills independently and in meaningful context. This knowledge and skills are reflected in domains of literacy in the K-12 by which mother tongue belongs and verbalized in the content and performance standards in the teaching of mother tongue from grade 1 to grade 3. So first we have oral languages, which knowledge and use of the structure, meanings, and uses of the language. Second, we have phonological awareness, the ability to hear and manipulate the sounds of a language. There are four levels of phonological awareness, which is word, syllable, onset, rhyme, and phoneme. And for the third, we have book and print knowledge, knowing and being acquainted with books and how print works. Fourth, we have alphabet knowledge, recognize, name, and sound at all the upper and lower case letter of the alphabet. Fifth, we have phonics and word recognition, being able to identify a written word by sight or by deciphering the sounds of spoken language and the letters in written language. So when we say deciphering, it means to find the meaning of something that is difficult to read or understand. Six, we have fluency, the ability to read orally with speed, accuracy, and proper expression. And for number 7, we have spelling, which is being able to convert oral language sounds into printed language symbols. 8, we have handwriting, the ability to form letters through manuscript and cursive style. So for the number 9, we have composing, which is being able to formulate ideas into sentences or longer text and represent them in the conventional orthographic patterns of written language. Then we have grammar awareness and structures, which knowledge of language features and sentence structures in written language as this differ from oral language. And for number 11, we have vocabulary, knowledge of words and their meanings in both oral and print representation. And number 12, we have reading comprehension, which is a complex and active process in which vocabulary knowledge is a crucial component and which requires an intentional and thoughtful interaction between the reader and the text. which is in letter A, use of context and prior knowledge schema. Activating prior knowledge conceptually related to text and establishing a purpose for reading. So in letter B, we have comprehension strategies, which is being self-aware as they discuss and analyze text to create new meanings and modify old knowledge. So, in short, the language and literacy domain addresses the skills of listening, speaking, and writing. Language skills provide the foundations for a wide range of abilities that will be used in both social and academic situations throughout of life. This acquisition is a natural yet complex process, and its ultimate goal is effective communication skills and literacy, and the use of language to convey meaning through reading and writing.